Manifestation is not some imaginary fairy tale. It is a scientific process that has been known for thousands of years and is now substantiated by quantum physics. Our Science of Manifestation training is your path to happiness and to being all you can be in life. There are 3 membership levels: bronze, silver, and gold, with more powerful training at each level. Bronze membership is just $20 and releases a new training with each renewal financed by our unique profit-sharing plan. So, although it's a minimum of a 30-day subscription, you will only ever pay $20 out of pocket. As your profit share grows, it will fund you into levels 2 and 3, but you can, at any time, choose to subscribe to levels 2 and 3 to access the more advanced trainings faster and be positioned for higher profit shares sooner. The maximum, recurring, profit share for each subscription period is a total of $140 for bronze membership, $2,811 for silver membership, and a whopping $5,311 for gold membership. It makes good sense to access the higher-level trainings for both empowerment and financial reasons as soon as possible. To help with this, there is a special offer for taking bronze and silver memberships within 7 days of registration at a 10% discount, and taking bronze, silver, and gold memberships with a 20% discount from your one-time payments. If you sincerely can't afford the $20, there is a possibility that your sponsor or an existing member may pay it for you. If not, then in time, the system will take care of you, but it can sometimes be a long wait, and so we recommend that you take the courage to invest $20 or more in your future as soon as you join. Note that, to be eligible to have membership paid for you requires you to verify your identity. This is not required when you are self-funding. Your profit share may start slowly, but over time will build to $4,990 recurring income with every subscription renewal. I think you'll agree that's a pretty good return for as little as a one-time $20. Up to 81.25% of all income received is paid back to members as a profit share or through our 2-tier referral system. The referral commissions are designed to be the most powerful part of the plan and will grow to a recurring $30,040 for each personal referral, Tier 1, and up to a recurring $27,500 for those referred by your personal referrals, Tier 2. This makes referring someone not only spiritually rewarding because you know you are helping them, but it also puts big money into your pocket. It is a fact that we are all linked together by an almighty power, and whenever you help others, you are also helping yourself. Click the Join Now button to get started right away. Your new and happier future awaits you.